ChatGPT just launched their own browser. ChatGPtatlas is the new Google Chrome competitor. I spent the last 24 hours using it. I have the highest ChatGPT plan, so I get all the features. I'm going to break it down to you whether or not you should give it a try. First off, if you're thinking about using this on your phone or your PC, not going to happen. Only available for Mac OS at this point. I have one major issue with this browser. One thing I love using it for, I want to share it with you guys. I'm using AI right now to help win my fantasy football league, basically as a superpowered research assistant. And before that, I started making videos sharing my learning journey using ChatGPT to teach myself from scratch linear algebra and organic chemistry in 1 month each. So I'm staying at the forefront of ways to use AI for self-improvement. Basically, the reason you would use ChatGPtatlas is if you want to have ChatGPT everywhere, anywhere you're on the internet. It's the new search bar essentially. Whenever you're on a web page, you can have ChatGPT help summarize this and add it to your knowledge bank. It's way smarter at managing your memory, filling in forms, doing all of this routine stuff that you've come across on the internet. And there's this new assistant feature called Pulse that will every morning give you a list of what you did the previous day, summarize what you want to do for this day. Sort of an interesting thing. I need to see how that develops. It has a very nice interface. It's clean, it's simple, it's intuitive, it feels fresh. And you can easily import your browsing history, bookmarks, all of that stuff from another browser. It's nice that it's a Chromium-based browser. Chromium is the open source framework upon which most browsers on the internet are based these days. So I was fired up. I was ready to import the 25 or 30 Chrome extensions that I have to customize my browsing experience into Atlas. And then I realized this is not OpenAI, this is closed AI. They do not allow Chrome extensions, not even in the Chrome web app store. You can't even upload your own. ChatGPT is working on their own app marketplace, but this is totally different than the ecosystem that's built around Chrome. I've personally developed dozens of Chrome extensions myself. Some of them have been pretty successful, like Escape the Algorithm. It stops you from mindlessly doom scrolling the internet. It's honestly saved me dozens, if not hundreds of hours. Go and download it here. But the ChatGPT app marketplace seems to be built around billion-dollar companies like Shopify and Canva. It's already bad that you can't use your own ad blocker in Atlas. I already felt like Google Chrome is borderline adware based on the fact that it's all based around gathering data to advertisers. But ChatGPT wants to save literally all your personal information. I feel like there are going to be some really bad security stories we hear in the future about saved passwords, etc. to AI. It's very easy to make a Chromium-based browser accept Chrome extensions. This is the default. So OpenAI actively made a block so that developers couldn't go and put in their own extensions to this browser. So I'm not going to be using it myself, but there's one thing I love using ChatGPtatlas for. That is the agent mode. Essentially, you can have it browse the internet itself in agent mode with a specific task and goal in mind. Thousands of you have signed up for my site, fansports.com, up here where I give you the best fantasy football rankings on the whole internet. But it's a lot of work being an admin on the site. I constantly have to update expert rankings, update player stats, do a lot of things. I'm going to instead try to have a ChatGPT agent be the main admin on the site. So I have ChatGPtatlas running in the background in agent mode, doing research for me, doing administrative stuff on my site, and that is awesome. This feels like the future of the internet in a certain way. But I encourage you to try it for yourself, not just to take my opinion. I appreciate you all spending a few valuable minutes of your day with me. Stay learning. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.